Of course, to say that there has been a lot of diversion of funds, a lot of pending bills, Madam Speaker. In these 4 years, more than 3 times what the previous government, our wage bill, continues to grow, Madam Speaker. Today, if you use a bigger denominator, then it comes down. If you use a smaller denominator, then money for medicine is lack of money for quantifying how much of those fingerlings were going to each dam, Madam Speaker. Investigations say it's in the regions of 30 million, Madam Speaker.
And as it is now, Madam Speaker, I am sure this house has grounded to out. This house cannot even be able to move. It is evident, even now, Madam Speaker, members here do not have even drinking water. This house has grounded to a halt because we do not have remittances, and this CCM has impunely sat on this. And so, Madam Speaker, I will be asking members here to go with the mover and have this CCM removed from office on that ground.
It is in record that when the said character was the Minister for Water, we have a mega scandal of the dams that has never been unearthed to date. A matter that still remains in question in Senate, which happened in a full watch, and up to date, the dams scandal has never been unearthed.
Even as today we debate on the issue of the CCM finance, I also wanted to go on record to the governor of Machakos County, one and only Wavinya Ndeti. We want to tell you that this house is not going to be amstreated by your tricks to conform to your illegal dealings.